Hi, Joshua. It's Debbie Lombardo over at Cresswind, just off of McDuff. Jose finished up my job yesterday pretty quick, and I just wanted to call and thank you. Jose did a fabulous job, and Chris did come back and get on the ladder, and he looked and inspected the work, and he agreed and took pictures, and everything was nice. When I started calling Monday morning different roofers right here in Peachtree City, I called a total of 4 companies. Chris called me back within a few hours, but the fact that he still came over the same day, and he was willing to walk the attic and up over the rafters and get on the ladder and do all that, even though it was a lousy, rainy, horrible day. He ended up getting the business. It's funny how just even this morning, one of the companies is calling me back for the first time, wanting to know if I want an appointment. Everything came out so nice, and I appreciate it. References are important to you, and I'm sure that's how you get a lot of your business. So I want you to feel free to give them this phone number. It's my cell. I appreciate it, okay? Bye.